Alright, everything went well in your videos. You may have seen this stuff already. So let's explain it now. So this is basically building off of what you did, was it number 3 from last time? Here we got a 3/4 time signature because what we're basically working on is going down, up, and then up, down. So down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. We just keep doing that over and over and over again. So yeah, it's counting 3 this time. So it's going to go 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So here we go, 60 beats per minute. Count of 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 120, 1, 2, 3, 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Repeats at 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Number 2. So, this is in a 3/4 or a 4/4 time signature. Okay. But, look, we got that strumming pattern happening. The 3/4 strum pattern happening. So this is basically a polymeter, which is a fancy way of saying you have 2 time signatures happening at the same time. So we can see the 4/4 is happening, not only because you got the 4/4 right there, but we can see you have 4 beats in every single bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I feel the easiest thing to do is still count it like it's a 3/4. Do like a 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So we do have a new chord happening every time the strumming pattern begins again. So this rhythm here is the same rhythm down here. Again, 2 different ways of looking at the exact same thing. Strumming is always going to be going down, up, down, up, down. Very important, make sure you practice counting at the 1 and 3, 1 and 3, because that's going to help with number 3. That's when things get a little trickier. But here we go, count of 4. So I'm going to count off 4 because it is 4/4 time signature, but I'm going to count stuff like it's in the 3/4 to make it easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3. And 3, 1 and 3, and 3, 1 and 3, 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 3, 1 180, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong chord. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't want to keep doing that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 180 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And number 3, the same rhythm, but now the chords change every bar, not every 3 beats. But in terms of counting it, I still think it's easiest to say it like it's a 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. You just got to be careful of when you change the chords. Yeah, thought I had more to say on that, but now I don't think I do. 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3. 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 So yes, that's a big ass jump going from the F5 to the G5. Thought it sounded neat, and also it's to address that stuff you talked about, the weakness of going from the E string to the A string. So we're gonna go a really tough jump there. So if you don't get too fast, that's okay. We just want to get that control better, help you with that stuff. So yeah, lots of bouncing back and forth between the strings this time. Done with purpose. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 3, 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 180, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 3, 1 and 140, 140, 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 180 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at the lead first. All right, so just starting with a couple things here. I'm going to make some changes on how this is viewed. All right. So we're going to combine some scales. going to go up one, down the next, and then up one, down the next. So basically, the first line, we're going up the first minor pentatonic shape. And I'm going to shift there. So you hit the 5, then the 8 with the index finger, because now you're going to go down the second shape. And then back to the start there. You could hit the pinky as well. I instinctively wanted to do that. So either way, either you're shifting up with your index finger or the pinky, but just go up one scale, down the next, and then we'll go up shapes 2, or go up shape 2 and then down shape 3 for the second line. So yeah, drums, bass, chord progression, all that stuff once again. So here this is at, you know what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double that speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now the power chords. Using our numbered chord progression system here. So gonna keep looking at this stuff a bit more and more as we continue to play. So this way we remember what is what. Let's see. There we go. All right, so again, good idea. Save the names of the chords as you go. I'll just play this all at 120 since it's all whole notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, A5, 3, 4, E5. E5, 2, 3, 4, A5, 3, 4, C5, 2, 3, 4, G5, G5, 2, 3, 4, C5, and the clean chords. There we go. One, 2, 3, 4, A minor, E minor, 3, 4, E minor, A minor, C major, G major, G major, C. So yeah, do this whatever speed you need to. It's totally fine. Main thing is play the chords, learn the names. Yeah, make sure you can play them all. Now that last C chord there, that might look kind of funny. My finger does a weird thing there. It does like a bar, but at like an extreme angle. So it doesn't have to be flat like that. You can use your pinky if you want. I like to use my ring finger. Sometimes the pinky jumps on top. But that's basically what it is there. So 3, 5, 5, 5. And I think that covers it all. All right, any questions, let me know. I will see you again next week.